Today we've got a common tech dilemma on our hands. A
Westinghouse Smart TV.
not connecting to Wi-Fi. But fear not, I've got some solutions and easy fixes for you to try. First things first, let's check the basics. Ensure that your Wi-Fi password is correct and that the other devices can connect. If they can, it's probably a TV-specific issue. Now let's jump into the troubleshooting steps. First solution is to check your network settings. Head to your TV settings and navigate to General and select Network. Double check your Wi-Fi settings. Sometimes a simple reconnection can do the trick. Second solution, power cycling. Next up, the classic power cycle. Turn off your TV, unplug it, and wait 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This simple step often resolves many connectivity issues. Third solution, software update. Ensure that your TV software is up to date. An outdated system can sometimes cause Wi-Fi hiccups. Go to Settings, Support, and Software Update. Fourth solution, forget and reconnect. If all else fails, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network on the TV and reconnecting. It's like giving your TV's memory a fresh start. To do this, press the Home button, then go to Settings, General, Network, then open Network Settings. Select your network and then choose Forget. Then reconnect using your Wi-Fi credentials. Well, there you have it. Simple solutions for when your TV decides to play hard to get with Wi-Fi. If these steps don't do the trick, it might be time to reach out to TV's support or check to see if there's a hardware issue. Here's a bonus tip, but this one might cost you a few dollars. It's buying a Roku stick. What you would do is use the Roku stick as your main streaming player, bypassing the TV's operating system. You would then watch all your content and stream TV shows and movies through the Roku using its Wi-Fi. I have found that Roku is very reliable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.